Meet Alfawise FJ-166A cordless vacuum cleaner. Loaded with 7000 PS suction power, motorized cleaner head that great for all floor types like carpet and tile. Come with removable battery and additional HEPA filter for replacement. Alright, let's have a closer look then. Yes, it comes well protected, covered with plastic and held by foam board. There is user manual in multiple languages and several useful tools like 2-in-1 crevice tube which can be extended and flexible too, followed by wide mount brush, 2-mode adjustment for different type of cleaning. By the way, you need to use the connector in order to use these two tools. The must-have aluminum wand for daily cleaning, the perfect companion for the motorized cleaner head. You can remove the brush by unlocking the lock with a coin, clean it when needed. However, installation is a bit hard due to the extra motor rubber there. Power adapter with EU plug. It supports 100 to 240 volt input and having 0.5 amp output. This is the wall mounting suit. Just use the bundle screw to hold it will do. This is the main part, vacuum motor and the dust cup with all the filters inside. Build quality is decent for the price. Power on off trigger button. Speed mode switch with 3-level battery life LED light indicator. Removable battery on top as you can see. Come with detachable large 0.5 liter dust cap for easy cleaning. Just remove them one by one slowly will do. Then use water to clean them. Be sure to dry them out before installing back. Alfawise FJ-166A may not be the most powerful vacuum out there, but it gets the cleaning jobs done well. Yes, thanks to the effective motorized floor brush. Easily pick up all the flour, long leaf, and mung beans. Working well on kappa test too. Yes, I'm impressed. And it is very quiet as well. 60 dBA on normal and 68 dBA on high power mode. As for battery life, it managed to last for 50 minutes on normal mode, 25 minutes on high power mode. Takes around 5 hours to fully charge, by the way. Always go for a cordless vacuum cleaner. No worry about the wire length anymore. Just focus on the cleaning task will do. Yes, it can be used to clean in a narrow space, top corners up above the walls with aluminum wand and 2-in-1 crevice. Portable that great not only in the house but can be used in the car as well. Clean any spot that you want. Fast and easy for sure. That's pretty much cover everything of this useful cordless vacuum cleaner, Alfawise FJ-166A. Do check out the promotion and buy link at below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to thumb up this video. Peace.